Today is Auntie Betty's birthday, so we've all gone to the Karawatha Nature Reserve or Karawatha Forest, and now we're going on one of the forest walks. I don't know what the walk we're going on, but there's many different kinds of walks to celebrate Auntie Betty's birthday. This is the Karawatha Forest. And we've been to the Discovery Centre, which had all sorts of frogs and different kinds of birds and different kinds of animals that live in the Karawatha Forest Reserve. And now we're going to go back to the Discovery Centre and have our lunch, and we'll take Auntie Betty home. Happy birthday, Auntie Bet!